Have you ever heard of an automated online money-making system? Because this method is newer than anything else on the market today, you probably haven't heard of it. You can earn up to $62 per hour by completely automating your business. To be honest, I had a hard time believing in this method when I first heard about it. But let me tell you, once I got my hands on it, I realized it was completely legit. It runs perfectly well. It can be accessed from any device in your gadgets, including your computer, laptop, tablet, and even your smartphone. Another thing to keep in mind about how effective this method is that it can be used from anywhere on the planet. Did I also tell you how much money you'll need to invest? The thing is, there will be no need to make any investments. That's correct, zero. There will be no payments. If you're concerned that this method will demand you to have a strong background in terms of work experience or technical skill, rest assured that this process is ideal for beginners like you. Everything will be completed quickly, smoothly, and completely. This video will teach you everything you need to know about making money online. So I strongly advise you to finish everything by the very end. But first, welcome to Make Money Online, where I show you how to make money online in the simplest ways possible. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and that the notification bell is turned on, so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video on how to make money online, and you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be shy to post a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about it. Let's return to the video. Now you know how I am about getting right to the point. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video's main website, CPA Lead. What exactly is CPA Lead? It's essentially a platform that allows users to download Android and iOS apps. This is accomplished by connecting mobile app developers and CPA networks to over 1.7 million publisher websites. They are able to bring the best performing CPA offers in the industry, along with daily payments because of their direct relationships with cost per install advertisers through their real-time bidding marketplace. We'll go over all of the things I mentioned in greater depth because they're quite immense. However, everything will be revealed and every step will be discussed as you watch this video. So let's go over them one by one. Let's start with the registration process. I want you to sign up by clicking the screen button in the upper right corner of the page. You will be redirected to this page after clicking the button. Now you can begin the process of creating your new account. But first, let's take a look around before you fill out the application form. It's always best to have a general idea of what you're getting into so that we can be completely transparent and avoid any misunderstandings. This will also enable us to set an aspect for what we can expect to achieve, allowing us to feel accomplished based on realistic standards. You can see a few reasons why you should sign up with CPA Lead. Number 1, an incredibly low minimum payout of only $1 on the right side of this page. Get paid for each app you install, which gives you limitless earning potential. The fourth CPI offer is from Access Direct. Fifth, membership is and always will be free, so you won't have to pay anything to use this method. Can be compensated in a variety of ways, all of which are tailored to your preferences. You probably have a payment method in mind, because PayPal and Pioneer are on the list. They have virtual currency offer walls, a mobile app solutions, and last but not least, you can earn and track your achievements and points, as well as receive rewards based on them. Finally, in addition to the incredible benefits that come with signing up, you can learn more about the overall program right here. So feel free to explore the page further to find out more. When you're finished, you can move on to the actual sign-up process by scrolling down the same page and finding a Google one-click sign-up option. This will make your life a lot easier, but if you don't want to go that route for some reason, there's nothing stopping you from going old school. You can choose to sign up with your email by starting with your first name and ending with your last name. After you've completed all of those fields, fill in this space for your email address and create your own password. Simply select a security question. After you've finished, proceed, and the answer to your security question will suffice. So there's nothing left for you to do but click this blue Submit Information button right here. Once you've done that, you're ready to start making money with CPA Lead. Say hello to your newly created account. Before you can begin your journey with CPA Lead, you must first activate your account. Simply open your email and follow the guide and instructions provided. They should be completed quickly, allowing you to return to CPA Lead. You'll be taken straight to your dashboard, where you can see your earnings for a specific time period, such as today, yesterday, or the month, as well as a general overview. We can now access the various products and offers that you can promote to make money online because we're already here. Essentially, you must choose an offer and then share it with everyone in your social circle, including friends, family, and coworkers. But later on, I'll show you how to maximize your income to its full potential by joining a platform that allows you to expand your reach and reach more people all over the world. So now I'd like you to narrow down the search results by toggling the countries using this arrow button right here. I want you to choose the United States because it can accommodate a wide range of people who are willing to join you on this adventure. Once you've configured the search results, you'll have access to a massive list of offers that you can freely promote. To start earning big bucks right away, simply click on any of these offers, such as this, to be taken to this page where you can view the offer's details. Your task is now straightforward. Simply copy the affiliate link provided and make sure to read all of the rules to ensure that you get it right the first time. That's pretty much it. As a bonus, I'll show you a little known method for increasing your affiliate reach. So pay attention. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. Okay, so now your main concern is how to make your link go viral. So go to a website called prodigy.com, which will be almighty weapon for today. This platform has everything you need to make the most money possible. Since Prodigy is a make money online forum dedicated to the world of digital money making, it offers paid survey forums, affiliate programs, business marketing forums, and more. If you want to gain some personal insights and think about the amazing features of this platform, you can explore the page on your own. As for me, I just like to get right to the point so that you don't have to worry about stepping into an unfamiliar environment, and that you can avoid making any errors or mistakes. Now click on this section that says Make Money. After you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you can search through thousands of threads and topics created by people looking for new ways to make money online. Many people from all over the world are asking what are the easy ways to make money online. Some people are also curious about which make money sites pay the most. Now is your chance to shine and share the knowledge you gained from today's video with them. Simply select one of the questions from the list below. Consider this one, which asks how many make money sites have you tried your hands on this year? You'll deliver the good news in the form of a CPA lead and provide them with your affiliate link, which will direct them to the offer you're currently promoting. Everything goes smoothly for both of you once they click on your link. As a result, it is a win-win situation. You will make a lot of money thanks to the numerous clicks you receive, and the people on Prodigy will benefit as well, because they will learn about a new way to make money online. Now, before we wrap up the video, remember to include friendliness and professionalism when crafting your forum application. Simply be inventive and then cultivate a trustworthy environment. Including some important benefits on CPA leads will also help a lot, so make sure to include them. Finally, don't forget to include your affiliate link at the bottom, and that's all there is to it. Everyone gets money, and that's it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and that the notification bell is turned on. I'll see you in the next video.